북한상 아마 데모임에 이거 아니 가장 다 드린 간도 비슷한 거도 I have this. I have, he has, etc. Okay. So if you look here, first person, okay? Then it is ngala, okay? Ngala, to me. Then you say anything, object, etc. Then you put ye, okay? So ngala, ye. Say this, ngala, ye.
Ye.
Good. Ngala, ye.
Ngala ye.
Okay, ngala, ye. Okay. This one is clear, right? Ngala, ye. So, let's practice ngala, mota, ye. Ngala, mota, ye. Okay? Ngala, mota, ye.
Ngala mota ye.
I have a car. In English, we have to put this, what do you call it, article. That is not necessary, yeah? Ngala, mota, ye. That is, if you have one, you can say ngala, mota, six ye. Ngala, mota, okay? Mota, six. The article or the number comes after ngala, mota, six ye. Opposite, okay? English. I have a car. I have one car. Ngala to me, literally it means ngala means to me, ye means exist. So a car exists to me or in me. That is ngala motor chiki. Okay. Herang la motor yebe. Repeat. Do you have herang la yebe? Together, herang la motor yebe. Everyone shout. Lily and Mauricia is the off. Okay. Herang la motor yebe. Repeat.
Herang la motor yebe.
Herang la motor yebe. Okay. Liar. Yes, liar. Repeat, liar.
Liar.
Liar means yes, I have, yeah? Liar. Ngala, mota, ye. Liar, ngala, mota, ye. Okay, liar, ngala, mota, ye. Okay, Daniel. Herang la mota yebe. Jack, Daniel, ask you.
Jason la kerang la mota yube.
Lily, Jack.
Liar. Ngala mota ye.
Mauricia is close.
Malaysia. Ngala mota yebe.
Lily, Mauricia.
Hello?
Who should I ask? To me?
Lily, you ask.
Oh.
Hello, can you hear me? My microphone. Hello?
Okay.
We can hear you. Can you hear me?
Lily ask to Roxana.
Roxana, kerang mota yebe. Your motor, you.
Ye.
Here.
Liar.
Liar.
ngala motor. Roxanne, repeat. La ye ngala motor ye.
La ye ngala motor ye. Yes.
Okay. Didi again ask the question.
Kerana motor ye de. La ye ngala motor ye. Yes.
Okay. Motor lang mare. You say motor. Okay. You guys will always say motor. Okay. So Roxanne to Tanya.
The yes or the no question.
Yeah.
Kerang la motor ye be.
Yeah. Tanya, we can't hear you. Now you. Okay, Tanya to sorry, who's enough to Vedena.
La ye ngala motor ye.
Okay, when to Sandakare, Mauritius is not working, huh? Mauritius audio is not working.
Mauricio can la motor ye be.
ngala motor ye. Layu, ngala motor ye.
Very good. Okay, so this is yes. Ngala motor ye, ngala, so you say I have, you name it, and then you say ngala ye. Okay, la ye, opposite is la me. Say this, la ye, repeat, la ye,
Aye.
la me.
Lame.
Good. So la ye, la me. Okay, la ye, and opposite is la me. Okay, good. You see this, la ye, la me.
La ye la me.
Lame.
Okay, la ye means I have, la me means no, I don't have. Okay, good. So, sekarang la bakpak. Okay, bakpak is motorbike. Sekarang la bakpak you be. See? La bakpak you be.
Yube.
See? Sekarang la bakpak you be.
Kerang
La
la bakpa ye be.
Ame.
Lame.
La bakpak me.
Pakpa me.
La bakpa me.
Ngala bakpak me.
ngala pakpa me.
Lame ngala bak.
Okay, Mauritius. Sekarang la bakpak you be.
Lame, ngala pakpa me.
Ask the same question to Roxanne.
Roxanne, kerang la pakpa yube.
Lame ngala bakpa me.
Then Tanya.
Tanya, your audio is not working. We can't hear you clearly. It's a little quiet.
Okay. Tanya the Kumilwa. Roxanne view Lily.
Kerang la. What's the word we're using?
Bakpak.
Bakpak ye. Motor ye.
Bakpak you there. Bakpak is motorbike. It comes from the sound. Bak, 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 bak. So we call it bakpak. Now bakpak you there. You see this?
Kerang la bakpak ye motor ye.
Okay, Lily.
Lame ngala bakpa ye me.
Yeah. Okay, Lily to Jack. Jack.
Kerang la bakpak ye be. Lame ngala bakpak me.
Oh, Jack to Daniel.
Daniel la kerang la bakpak ye be.
Ngala pakpa me.
Two and then Daniel.
Within la kerang la pakpa yube.
Lame ngala bakpa me.
Okay, sama juga.
Now gila.
Okay, so Like here, I have something. Lame, I don't have something. Okay, so it's easy, right? Then you say, Kerala Kare. What do you have? Kare. We learn this. Kerala Kare. Kerala Kare. Repeat. Kerala Kare.
Kare.
Kerala Kare.
You, what is this? Listener. Okay, Kerala Kare. Again.
Kerala
Kerala Kare.
Good. Ngala Motaye. Okay?
Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Motaye. Bhagwaye. Any? Ngala Motaye. Okay, so let's practice this. Okay? Daniel, Linda. Daniel, ready? Daniel. Al. Okay, Daniel, Kerala Motaye. Yes?
Laye. Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Bhagwaye.
Lame. Ngala Pakpame.
Kerala Kariye.
Motaye.
Ngala.
Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Motaye. Bhagwaye.
Motaye.
Good. Now ask me to Jacqueline all 4 questions.
Jacqueline, Kerala Motaye be?
Aye Ngala Motaye.
Pakpaye be?
Lame Ngala Pakpaye.
Kerala Kare.
Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Motaye Pakpaye be?
No pay, okay? Okay, so all questions, you don't need to put pay because the student is work. Kerala Mota, we're using key question, right? In key question and all questions, you don't need to put pay. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Kerala Motaye Pakpaye.
Good.
Ngala Motaye.
Good. Good. Get to Lily.
Delila Kerala Motaye be?
Lily.
Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Pakpaye be?
Lame Ngala Motaye.
Papa.
Lame.
Kerala Kare.
Ngala Motaye.
Okay? Question. All questions.
Kerala Kare.
Do you have? Kerala Kariye. Yes, Lily?
Ngala Motaye.
Motaye Pakpaye.
Ngala Motaye.
Lily to Malaysia.
Malaysia. Kerala Motaye be?
Ngala Motaye.
Yes. Yes.
Laye. Ngala Motaye.
Good.
Kerala Pakpaye be?
Lame. Ngala Motaye. I'm sorry. Ngala Pakpame.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's Gonda. Okay.
Gonda. Ngala Pakpame.
Kerala Kare.
Kariye.
Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Pakpaye. Pakpaye.
Ngala Motaye.
Good. Malaysia to Roxanne.
Roxanne. Kerala Motaye be?
Laye Ngala Motaye.
Kerala Kare.
Papa, you're there. No question.
Yeah. Kerala Pakpaye be?
Lame Ngala Pakpaye.
Okay, Roxana, it's not Lame.
Lame.
Name.
Lame. Nala. Papame.
Chirang la kariye.
Nala. Karaye.
Kariye, what do you have? Nala motoye.
Nala motoye.
Chirang motaye.
Chirang la.
Sorry. Chirang la Chirang la motaye. Papaye.
La yere.
No, ngala.
Nala motoye.
Okay, very simple. What we learn is ngala ye. Ngala ye. What can you Tania?
Kerang la motoye be.
Tania? Tania?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, speak louder. Hey, Chimbu Jap. Not your yeah. Okay, not your ngala motor ye. Continue, Roxana.
Kerang la tuk yete.
Okay. Any question, Roxana?
Kerang la karaye. Kong la motoye be.
No, motor ye.
Motoye.
Tune, kerang la motor ye, bapa ye. Okay, to Vendela.
La ye ngala mota ye. La me ngala bakpa me. Ngala mota ye. Ngala mota ye.
Okay. Any, that was on there.
Now gela.
Good. Okay, so until the repeat, so wait a minute, let me fix it. Okay, so the save as somebody wait for me, please.
Gela.
Oh, who do it?
Oh, kundala tisila kiwa ye ke.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Ai take la. Uncle this one.
Kiwa yobe. Terang po la kiwa yobe. Kiwa is question, yeah? Terang po la kiwa yobe. Okay, to Daniel. Daniel, terang la kiwa yobe.
La ye ngala jiva ye.
Tell me,
Yeah. Can you write this bakbak in Tibetan, please?
Bakbak, right? Bakbak. Okay, I'll write here. Bakbak comes from the sound. Okay. That's too small. Font is too small. Okay. So I'll write here. Bakbak, yeah. Kepada baga bak. Kepada baga bakbak. Is it? Yes. Bakbak.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sabataka.
Kepada baga bak. Bakbak.
Bak.
Bakbak. This one.
Okay.
Okay. Ni di Jacqueline, kerang la chiwa yobe. Jacqueline, kerang la chiwa yobe.
Lame, chua me.
Okay, so that's how you write in Tibetan. Yeah. 걔랑 라 지워야 돼. 라면 하나 지웠네. 빼야고. 릴리 걔랑 라 지워야 돼. 릴리 모레시아 걔랑 라 지워야 돼. 오케이, 자, 걔랑 이제.
나라 찍었네.
오케이, 릴리 걔랑 라 지워야 돼.
다음에 줄라네.
라면 하나 지웠네.
나라 줄라네.
What is this channel?
하나 지웠네. 록센 걔랑 라 지워야 돼. Like you, okay, like you, not you, like you. Ngala chiwa you. Yeah, Kamba is Kayada Cha, okay? Kamba. In the Kam province, they say Kayada Cha. But normally they say Kayada Cha. What do you mean? Kayada Cha. We cover this little bit today also, okay? We cover this. Cha. Cha. Okay, Kerang. Kerang.
Kerang.
Good. Not Cha. Kayada Cha, Mare. Kayada Cha. Kerang. Kerang la chiwa yobe. Rosen kerang la chiwa yobe. La ne. Tania. Yes, yes. Rosen kerang la chiwa yobe.
Layan, nalan, siya.
Okay. Chiwa yobe. Chiwa kari yobe. Sunga. Tania. Okay. So now you know, I have a question, right? Ngala ye. To me, question exists because the listening translation. Okay? Yeah, ask me the question.
Kerang la acha yube.
Hari yebe? Hari?
Acha.
Aja. Oh, ngala aja ye. Ngala aja tik ye. Okay? Tania, kerang la jiwa yebe?
Lame.
Okay, so we covered this. So that's in lesson 4. Kawana, we did this. So this is the one, right? Okay. So here you will find the vocabulary, the family. Okay. So shall I read this for you or what? Loga. So I will read 1, popo. Popo. Popo, just repeat after me. Popo.
Popo.
Number 2, momo.
Momo.
Good. Then pala is papa.
Papa.
And pa. Papa.
Papa.
Number 4, ama.
Ama.
Good. Number 5, ashang. Ashang.
아상.
Good. Ashang. Okay. Number 6, sumo.
Sumo.
Sumo. Okay, we have 2. Ashang is a as is written here. National uncle and aunt from mother side. Number 7 is aku.
아쿠.
Yeah, national side. Number 7, aku. And number 8 is ane.
아네.
Ane.
Okay, ane also means none. Yeah, ane has 2 meanings. One is none and one is aunt. Okay. Number 9. Okay. First is tempo.
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 Okay, but the middle is very common. Chocho.
그렇죠.
Chocho.
Chocho.
Okay, but in Hausa you also hear this chola.
Chola.
Good. Then number 10, chemo.
뭐.
Okay.
Chemo.
Aja is more common. The second one, aja. Say this aja. Good.
Acha.
Number 11, sungpo.
Kumpo.
춤보.
Sungpo. Okay?
Chunpo.
But okay, we also say no. No. Number 12, Chungmo.
Mo.
Mo, yeah? You can say Numo.
No.
Okay? Number 13 is Cho. Ha. Choka.
Choka.
Choka. Ngala choka ye. Ngala choka me. Choka good. And then number 14 is Yemen.
Amen.
Yamen.
Yemen. Okay? Yemen. You can say Puma. Puma.
Ma.
Puma.
And then number 15 is Who.
Who.
16 is Humo.
Humo.
Good. And then number 17 is How.
Chao.
Tawo.
Okay, grandson and nephew, we have one word and How. Okay. Then 18 is Hamo.
Amo.
Ram.
Good. Then 19 is Pugu, which is very common. We don't write. We say Pugu. Okay. Pugu. Or you can make it more literal Pugu. Pugu. Okay. Then number 20 is Panda.
Panda.
Which means literally it means eating partner. Eating partner. Okay. So Panda. Then father-in-law 21 is Yopo.
Chogo.
And 22 is Yomo. Okay.
Mo.
So is more, it's a masculine and more is female, yeah, male and female. So Yopo Yomo. Good. 21, 22. Yopo Yomo. Then son-in-law is Makpa.
Mak.
Daughter-in-law is Nama.
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 Sorry. Then step son and daughter, we call it Ngatar. Okay. Then stepfather is Haya. And Maya is stepmother. Okay. Then twin 27 means siblings. Same father, same mother. Okay. Then Pinja 28 is relative. Or you can say Pinche. Okay. So you got it. Now let's go back here to whiteboard. Okay. So now look at this sentence here. See here. Look at this sentence. Okay. Good. So ngala to me ngala hat is book tempo big me to year. Okay. So if you look at the construction, to mean book big to exist. So okay. I have 2 big books, yeah. Ngala hat tempo year. Okay. So in Tibetan, in the syntax, you see the adjective comes after the noun. Okay, remember this. Okay. So now 1T lana, kahana la 1T lana, you have to reverse it. Hatik, titik. Okay, you reverse it. Okay. Ngala hat tempo year. I have 2 big books. Is that? So then numbers. Here, numbers as I mentioned here. Look at this, yeah. If you look at this, see, I have 1 elder sister. Wow. We put the number at the end. Okay. one. In English, you put to the beginning, right? I have one elder sister. We say ngala aja tiga or the numbers quantity we always put at the end. Okay? These you must keep in your mind. So now let's move to this second and third question. Okay? Good. Kerang la. Okay, to you, kong la, to he or she. Because we learn yore, ngala, ye, kong la, yore. You just put re. Okay, so repeat after me. Kong la, mota, yore.
Kong la, mota, yore.
Good. So, and we learn little bit last week, duk. Yore and duk, you can get replaceable. Wherever there is yore, you can put duk. Okay? Kong la mota yore means general fact. General fact. Okay? It's not talking about business. I'm not no. If you say kong la mota duk means, it means I have seen that he has a car. Okay? So yore and duk, big difference. It's a big difference. Okay? You got this point? Any questions with yore and duk? Any questions? Do you have?
Ame.
Okay. So in this book, this is mentioned on page 123 is how to use do yore all in one thing. Okay? And so repeat after me. Kong la mota yore.
Kong la mota yore.
Okay. Don't say motor. Motor is more English. Huh? We say mota. Okay. Kong la mota yore.
Kong la mota yore.
Kong la mota yore. Now, Jacqueline, repeat.
Kong la mota yore.
Lily.
Kong la mota yore.
Okay, Mauricia.
Kong la mota yore.
Roxanne.
Mota yore.
Good. And then Tania. Good. Okay, Daniel.
Mota yore.
Mota yore. Vinena.
Kong la mota yore.
Good. So that's the statement. Now let's deal yes question, no question. Okay. So your rete is the question. Your rete. Okay. Kong la mota yore. Repeat. Kong la
mota yore.
Don't say your rete. No. Your rete. It is one word. Your rete. Say this. Your rete.
Kong la mota yore.
Good.
Mota yore.
Okay. So Vendela. Vendela.
Lagela.
Mota yore.
La ye ngala kong la ala. La ye kong la mota yore.
Kong la mota yore. La yore.
La yore ala.
Okay. So short answer is la yore.
La yore.
Everybody repeat. Yore.
La yore.
Okay. Opposite is la yo mare.
La yo mare.
So inside like that. La kong la mota yore.
La yore kong la mota yore.
Daniel.
Daniel kong la mota yore be.
Kong la yore.
Kong la mota yore.
La yore.
Mota yore.
So that la yore. Okay, right now you learn full sentence, but in future when you speak la yore. Okay. Daniel do that.
Kong la mota yore.
Yore. Kong la mota yore.
Ya kutu ini.
Con là một yore pe.
La yore. Con la mota yore.
Lili la Malaysia la kita. Lili to Malaysia.
Oh. Oh. Con la mota yore de.
La yore. Con la mota yore.
Good. To Roxana.
Roxanne. Con la mota yore pe.
La yo mare. Con la mota yo mare.
To Roxana di tanya.
Con la moto yore pe.
Okay. This one. Okay, Tanya to me. Yore, con la moda yore. Okay. So, in the last,
Agela.
con la moda yore pe.
La yore con la mota yore.
Con la baba yore pe.
La yo mare con la bakpa yompe.
Yo mare. Okay. Con la hare yore.
Con la mota yore.
Con la moda yore, baba yore.
Con la mota yore.
Okay, so that's how the you should ask questions and answer them. Okay. So now let's practice do. Con la moda do. Repeat.
Con la
Con la
moto.
mota duk.
Okay, as soon as you use do, it means I have seen. Even though it's not mentioned, but just by saying do, it's a business. Business thing word louder.
It's a
I don't
fact.
know. It's a fact. Both are facts, but one means I've seen that he has a car. Okay. Duk lana, it means I've seen that you have a car. I've seen that he has a car today. Okay, good. So, call a motor duk. Okay, kasa vendela.
Agela.
So duk, you have to say duge,
Duge.
duge. That's he. Okay, that's he has. Call a motor duge.
La duk. Con la mota duk.
Good. Call a baba duge.
La minduk. Con la bakpa minduk.
Good. Call a khali duk.
Con la mota duk.
Call a motor du baba duk.
Con la mota duk.
Good. Kaya na, the duk la practice kela si Daniel.
Daniel con la mota duge.
La duc, con la mota duc.
Good.
Con la bakpa duge.
Duc, con la bakpa min duc.
Good. Minduk. Opposite of duk is minduk. So I'll write here, okay? Opposite of duk is minduk.
Minduk.
Duk, minduk,
So
okay?
it's like la minduk, con la
Yes.
bakpa minduk.
Yes. Duk and opposite is minduk. Okay? Duk, minduk. Good. Yes, Daniel.
And con la khari duk.
Good.
Con la mota duc.
Last question. And then last question.
Con la mota duge.
No? No, duge.
Con la mota du bakpa duge.
Good. No, okay? A and K. Con la motor du barbado. Is it?
Con la mota du bakpa duk.
Con la mota duc.
Good to Jacqueline. Daniel.
Okay. Jacqueline, con la mota duge.
Aduk. Con la một aduk.
Con la bakpa duge.
Amin duk. Con là Papa Mindu.
가래둑?
Con là Haridu.
가래둑.
Wait, Jack.
Con là Motadu.
Good. Last question.
공라 모타둑, 빡바둑?
Con là Motadu.
Hey, Daniel. Con là Motadu. You just make it long, yeah? Con là Motadu. Papadu. Up. Okay.
오케이.
Jack.
공라 모타둑,
Lily.
공라둑.
Đây là
Con là Motadu. Papadu. Yes, Lily.
Con là Motadu ghế.
Ladu.
Hello? Radu. Con là Motadu.
Good. Jack, come on. Quick.
Papadu.
Don't think too much. Yeah, just ask questions.
Ok. Con là Papadu ghế.
La mẹ chủ. Con là Papa mẹ chủ.
Good.
Con là Karedu.
Con là Papa chủ. Motadu. Con là Motadu.
Con là Motadu. Papadu.
Con là Motadu.
Okay, Lily to Mauritius. Okay.
Con là Motadu ghế.
Ladu, con là Motadu.
Con là Papa ghế.
Con là Lamindu, con là Papa Mindu.
Con là Karedu.
Con là Motadu.
Con là Motadu Babadu.
Con là Motadu.
Hey, Mauritius to Roxana.
Roxane, con là Motadu ghế.
Ladu con là Motadu.
Con là Papa ghế.
La mẹ chủ. Con là
Min, you say, not Mindu.
La Mindu.
Hari Mindu.
Con là Mindu.
Not Mindu, con là Bapa Mindu.
Con là Karedu.
Oh.
Con là Bupuk Ladu.
Kare?
Question.
Con là Papadu, Motadu.
Motadu, yeah.
Con là Bupuk Du.
Okay, Roxana.
Con là Motadu ghế. Con là Bupuk Du ghế.
Bak.
Bak.
Not Buk, yeah, it's Bak.
Con là Bak Du ghế.
Good. Key question.
Con là Karedu. Con là Motadu Babadu.
Okay, Tanya to me. Ladu, con là Motadu. Con là, okay? Con là Bapa Mindu. Con là Karidu. Con là Motadu. Again? Kong la mother do, Baba do. Kong la mother do. Now everybody say Hapoma song. I don't know. Hapoma song.
Hakoma song.
Hapoma song. Hapoma song. I don't know. Okay, Hapoma song. Repeat. Hapoma song. Okay, so you have this copy. Okay, so the structures are same, and this is same. I have a black hat. So it is check here, and the first one object big, then C Nako activity. Colors are there, and then you also have things underneath, and then you have two, right? I have a big red house, Lana. You can in the thing. You can say I have a red big house. Okay, in Tibetan it's okay. Then for example, ngala in the Lana, ngala thep marco simbo, right? Marco is red, simbo is big. So you can say ngala thep simbo marco here. You can change it. In English it doesn't work. I have a red big book, But in Tibetan you can say any of the adjectives first. Okay, no problem. Ngala thep marco simbo is here. Or you can say ngala thep tempo marco is here. But the continuity should be kept at the end. Okay. I mentioned here. Okay, here. If you look here. Can you see this? Is that the continuity is towards the end of the sentence, following the adjective or adjective and before the verb. Okay, remember this. Good. So that's about speaking today. And then I'll tell you this, week 5, we learned this, yeah? We learned before. Okay. And then use some of these words. Okay. There's some words here. Okay. With the object. And then I have adverbs of time. Okay. Adverbs of time like handa, ring, sangin, hasang, ogong, nangin, lotar, mintar, hengsang, takpar, bindu, kabre, yangse, namyang. Oh, I have two here, namyang, yeah? Namyang. Okay. And then pensin, tikur, tipu, nangin, matok, ngandu tangma, all these are here. Okay. That's about the. Any questions? Then we will learn some pronunciation. Chiba, you there? Chiba, you there? Chiba, you there?
Nga chiba me.
La me, chiba me.
Roxanne, la, chiba, you there?
La me te pon.
Lame, ngala, ngala, okay, ngala, ngala. Kamiala, kenala, chiba, you there? Kamiala, keranji, Dutch, Umindu, okay? Jack, kenala, you there? Chiba? Okay, Lily, kenala, chiba, you there?
Lame, chuan, me.
Mauricia, chiba, you there?
Nga chiba me.
So, Daniel, chiba, you marwa? Still chiba me. Also, okay. So, doing this kind of exercises, is it helpful or what? But it's very slow, yeah. Here, if we are all in group, then I'll partner, yeah. The best thing is whatever you cover, you must practice with one of your partners or using Harade.
Wednesday will be.
Wednesday review, or you can use sites, make friends and then try to use it. Use the same pattern with the hello different words. Okay. So once you have the prefix, superscript here, where?
Oh, superscript.
Okay, now let's go to prefix. Okay. There are 5 prefixes and
Dagila.
the pronunciation goes to the chapter wise thing.
Kangi gila.
Nima ngai kando sebapu dilanyam napsu balangye persistent soa. Yang jena wa.
No.
Nima na gitla ki kena na chute soa. Ni ko ningba.
Ala phai tab ningba dire.
Nima ningba chwa sangbo.
Khare PDF la PowerPoint dawra gila.
Par tanyam de chije on de kuntu tang.
Ala gila tab daw samanyam de dire.
Nima nyam do gitla ki soa jena la.
So ngai email la tang.
Diga ina tangi la. Anda la.
Gila phai di tab dire ningba tab dire.
Ningba.
So previously when Gela taught this class, he sent another PDF document with more information. So I'll send you guys that tomorrow.
The PDF. Okay. So now prefix. We learned like this. Yeah, alphabet is very important as I told you. Here you will go. Okay. So remember, kaka, hanga. Chacha, hanya, tata, hana, papa, hama, tata, hawa, tata, haya, yala, cha, ta, ha, a. Don't undermine our Don't undermine alphabet in terms of pronunciation. Okay, if you unless you know alphabet correctly, there's no chance of understanding how the speech goes up and down. Okay. So I'll read again. Kakakanga. I think you have already got unit 1, right? Kakakanga. Chacha hanya. Tata hana. Papa hama. Tata hawa. Tata haya. Lala cha sa ha ha. I'll check one by one. Daniel, can you read? Okay.
Kaka ganga. Okay. Cha-cha sanya. Ta-ta tana. Pa-pa pama. Cha-cha tawa. Sha-sa aya. Ra-la. Sha-sa ha-a.
Okay, in the first step, can you read the first step again?
Yes. Kaka kanga.
Good. Kaka hanga. It's not ga. Okay. Ka ha and ga. Completely different. Okay. Ha.
Yep.
Ga. Ha. Ga. Ha. Ga. And then you need this one. What is it? Step 4. First one. Step 4.
Step 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Pa-pa pama.
Okay. When you say this, okay, all this, don't stuck in your lips. Don't say like this. Okay, just relax. Pa. Pa. Okay.
Pa. I see.
That sound. Pa. Pa. Ha. Ma. It is stuck in, Pa.
Okay.
And remember, all this can be differentiated only with a, ha. So pa, ha, ha, ma, like that. Good. Okay, Jack, can you read?
Tata Kanga. Tata Tanya. Tata Tana. Papa Pama. Tata Tam. Wa.
Good. Good.
Tata. Tata. Sorry.
Take.
Tata. Sorry.
Good, good.
The thing is
Tata.
blocking the Tata.
Yes, yes.
Wa. Ya.
Yeah, yeah. Tata, ya.
Rala. Da. Sa. Ha.
Yeah. Good, good. Very good, very good. Yeah, in that. Lily, please. Lily, la, look now.
Ka 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 nga. Ja ja cha cha nga. Ta ta tan na.
Good.
Pa 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 ma. Ja cha ta ta cha wa. Cha wa. Sa sa nga ya. La la sha. Sa nga.
Stay out, stay out, stay out. Malaysia.
Yeah. So, ka, 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 nga. Cha, 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 I'm sorry. Cha, 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 nya. Ta, 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 na. Ta, 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 ma. Ta, 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 wa. Sha, ta, ya, ra, la. Sha, ta, ha,
Good. Malaysia.
yes.
First two letters of step 6. Say again.
Ne? Correct?
Read again. Step 6.
Sha, ta,
Good.
ya.
Fine. Good. Roxanne, can you read?
Tata Dana. Tata Danya. Tata Dana. Papa Bama. Tata Sawa. Sa Sa A La Ya Sha Sa A Ha.
Okay. Yeah. Listen again, okay? Ka, 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 nga. First you learn one by one. You always make it long. Ka, make it fast sound. Ka, nga. Learn this. I send you several readings. Yeah? Learn this, and then you learn ka, nga. Cha, cha, nya. Ta, ta, okay. Okay. Concentrate on alphabet. Okay. A little bit. Next week I will again test you. Okay. Tania. Tania, I'm very sorry. Tania, we can't hear you well. It doesn't matter. So now here, doesn't matter. Okay, we learned that if there is any letter in front or on the top. Okay. So remember this. Only these things. Yeah. Okay. Same here up to this and here. Okay. These 9 letters. Okay. These 9 letters, whether they are prefix or superscript, the first 9 letters generally, okay, Is there any superscript on this ha, 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 ha? If there is any superscript letter, okay, then it becomes ga, ja, da, ba, da. Okay, ha, ga, ha, ja, ha, da, ha, ba, ha, da. The pitch becomes lower. Still ending is ha. Good. The nasal letters, the ending is a. Okay, ending is a. First, nga with a ha sound. Nga, nga. So there's a prefix or superscript becomes nga, nga, a sound. Okay, nga, nga, nya, nya, na, na, ma, ma, like that. Okay, remember this. These 9 letters are common for both prefix and superscript. Good. So let's move here now. Okay, here. Now these letters, I got that right. Okay. So masculine letters, if there is any prefix, it doesn't change. They doesn't change. It's same. So ka is whether there is a prefix or not, it doesn't matter. Ka remains ka. And then neuter letters, same again, no change. Okay, whether it is prefix or superscript, as we learned before. But now look here. If you look at these 5 letters, okay, these 5 letters, you see now all these letters have prefixes. So the tone becomes low. Okay, you can see it is low. Good. So I'll repeat: ha, da, ha, ja, ha, da, ha, ba, ha, da. Okay, Daniel, can you repeat?
Ga. Ta. Ja.
No, again. Ha, ga, again.
Ka. Ga.
Good.
Yeah. Ta. Ja.
Ha, ja. Good. And
Ta. Da.
good.
Pa. Ba.
Okay.
Ta. Ja.
Okay, good. Next, Jacqueline.
ta, ga, ta, ja, ta, da, pa, ba, ta, za.
Okay, step second. Ha. Ha. Say this. Ha. Say this. Ha. Ja.
Ha,
Good.
ja.
Good. Now, Lily. Lily.
No.
Puma. Ha and
Ja.
no. Ha. Ga.
Ha.
Ha. Ga. It becomes difficult. Ga. Okay. Then.
Ga.
Good.
Ha. Da. Ha. Ba. Ha. Da.
Okay. Again, Lily, listen carefully. I'll read one by one. Okay. Ha. Ga. Ha. Ja. Ha. Da. Ha. Ba. Ha. Da. Okay. Good. Mauritius. Sheila?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Ka, ga. Cha, ja.
Haja.
Ha. Correct?
Haja. J-A, right? Haja.
Cha, ja.
Good. Third one.
Ka, ga.
Da. Da. Make it low. The. Good.
Tha, va.
And
Tha, tha.
the. That way. Ha, the. Okay. Ha, the. Roxanne?
Kaga, Chaja, Tada, Haba, Tata.
One. Ha, the. Ha, the. Okay. Many Tibetans make mistakes with this S. I learned this the first sound in 2005 only. Not before. Before I also used to say za all the time. It's ha, za. Good. Okay, last one. Tanya, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. We can't hear you. Right?
We can't hear you.
I'm sorry, Daniela. Okay, now again, everybody listen here. Okay, nga, nga. Repeat, nga, nga.
Nga.
Good. Nya, nya.
Nya,
Nya.
nya.
Na, na.
Na, na.
Na.
Ma.
Ma, ma.
Energy.
Nga. Nya. Nya. Na. Na. Ma.
Good.
Ja.
Jack, please.
Nga, nya, nya, na, ma.
Very good. Lily, left. Lila. Yes.
Nga, nga, nya, nya, na, na, ma, ma.
Okay, first is nga, no, nga, nga.
Nga, nga,
Like, because you already say the first high tone, yeah? So it's very difficult to go higher. Nga, make it long. Nga, say it. Nga. Okay.
nga.
Okay. Yeah, Roxanne.
Mauricio.
Oh, Mauricia Gonda. Mauricia La.
Nga, nga. Nya, nya. Na, na. Ma, ma.
Say Yaku. Yeah, that's Roxanne.
Na, 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 ma, ma.
Okay, second one. Nya.
Nya,
Then
nya.
good. Tanya, sorry. Okay, I'll repeat for you. Nga, nga. Nya, nya. Na, na. Ma, ma. Okay. Now we have one letter extra for the prefix. That is ya. Okay. Ya. So ya is an exception. It's not nasal, but it's a feminine letter. That's one exception. Okay. So ya becomes high sound. Okay. So yak means good. Yak for good. And Tibetan yak, we call yak. So okay. Ya. Repeat. Ya.
Ja.
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel.
Ja.
Yes. Good, Lily.
Ya,
Lily. Again.
Ya, ya,
Ya, yak mare. Ya.
ya,
Ya.
ya.
Okay, yak. We have a suffix. Yeah. Ya. Not ka sound. Ya. High sound. Okay.
Ya, ya.
Yes, that is the sound. Mauricia.
Ya, ya.
Good. Roxanne.
Ya, ya.
Good. Tanya is for you. Ya, ya. Good. So only 10 letters. Okay. 5. Okay. From the feminine group, they change the sound to low pitch. And then 4 nasal letters they become high pitch when they are prefixes. And we have one feminine letter which is exception, which is ya, and ya is preceded by only one prefix, that is ha all the time. Whenever there is a ha before ya becomes ya sound. Okay? And rest you see sha. Look at this, ya, sha and ha, they do not change. Okay? And of course all these masculine letters they never change and they never change in terms of sound. Okay? Good? Any questions? Do you read?
Kailangan tiwaya.
Yes. Look at that.
Kasing Monday played Chisa, superscript, and played the Chipa follow Chira. Does it follow the same rule? Okay.
Same rule. Okay. So, prefix before? No, with superscript. Okay, superscript here. So if you look at this, again, tha, cha, tha, tha, tha becomes ga, ja, da, ba, za. Okay, low tone. Tha, ga, tha, ja, tha, da, tha, ba, tha, ga. Na, na, nya, nya, na, na, ma, ma. Okay, so 9 letters common here, right? Exactly same here. Tibardwa is exactly same, right? Good?
Yep.
Okay, phi is a very complex letter. We will deal with this letter pha later because it can produce 11 sounds. Okay, good. Any other questions? Yoshina, you read?
Daniel, you are the Daniel, you have a question.
Okay, Daniel, please. Sam? Go me. Very intelligent student. Yeah, go me. Very young. Very good. Okay. So then, if you have no questions, let's learn now new sounds. Okay.
Gila.
La.
Kamachudo.
Kamachudo.
Chuachal.
Kamachudo. Oresha. Kamachudo. Remember, now we have subscript. Okay, I'll just introduce this and we'll learn this next week. Okay. Again, if you know alphabet, okay, then it becomes very easy. Okay. So ka, right? The first one is yata. Yata is the subscript. Ya is the subscript. Okay. And we'll do simple and make it big. Yeah? We'll deal here. Okay. If you look at this. Okay. So yata means ya as a subscript. Okay. So we will learn only 3 new sounds. Okay. 3 new sounds. This is ka. Alright. Now we have ya underneath. Okay. So before they say ya, everybody say ya.
Ya.
Not ya. Ya.
Ya.
Okay, we learn this ya, right?
Ya.
Ya in ba, ya in ba ya. We learn ya right now, right? So ya. So when you say ya, what happens to the tongue? It stretches, yeah. This part stretches the upper, we call it palate. Okay, but don't say ya. You say ka, right? Ya. Say this. Ya. Everybody repeat. Ya.
Ya.
Okay, because you touch this and then you say ya. Okay.
Yeah.
And second is ta. Ta.
Ta.
cha.
Cha.
Third sound is ha.
Kya.
Repeat. Ya.
Ya.
Ha. Good. Ya. Ya. Ha. Good. And this is same as cha cha chanya. No, kakakanga. That two bilang kakakanga is cha cha chanya. Exactly same sound. So no new sounds here. Okay. Cha cha chanya. Exactly same. Okay. Cha cha chanya. So only three sounds are stop. Cha cha cha. Repeat again. Cha sound. Cha sound. Cha Good. So we'll learn about this stuff with next week. Is it okay? And this one. We will also in speaking we will learn how to use present tense, present, future, real time, and present continuous tense also. And if we have enough time, we will learn about future also. Okay. Present we have already learned, but we will repeat. And then continuous tense, and then future tense. Okay. How to use verbs. You do that. Okay.
Nine.
Not so.
Castle.
And if you also advise me, how should I teach online? This is first time speaking online, so I really don't know how to teach. I'm starting my intensive course in October 2 for at least two months in at the library. So if you are coming here, then it's like 2 months course, 3 hours continuous. So I keep speaking, pronunciation, writing, reading, all this together. Okay. Anyway, then that's it.
No, that's okay. I'm getting that done. That's so. Any Gela pay shipping information?
So big okay. So
I
as
think
you know, okay, this is the book. So if you need this, lot of information, okay. And the most interesting thing is I have a huge collection of words novel, appendix, and I'm not advertising. If you need this, it's helpful, but you know you don't need to buy this, yeah. Because I'm using all this here, okay? And so please let Vendela know this. If I send it to USA, then from USA she will speak. Then it becomes you have to pay twice for the courier service. So if you want me to send it, please let her know. Okay, then I will send from here.
Yeah. So yeah, Gela itang nani lela chale sila. Amount chikera.
Monday I will let you know how much it costs to USA and European countries in Australia, because courier service the fee is different to different countries. Okay. Then and then
So is everyone clear on that? If I have sent out a spreadsheet. If you're interested, put your name on it, your address, your information, and then once we get the information, I'll check with you guys to see if you still want to buy it. And then Gila Tuesday kadul lenge da. Dawat chik jo lenge da.
Okay.
Chorala. Tab chorala. Allah. Okay. It should take like 2-3 days a week at the most. Ragila. So if you're
they say 48 hours, but I don't think so. At least 5 or 1 week, you know.
So any Gela country shanda la tangna ani payment loga cheda mi chang mai toro. So kondo trans gela ingala kondo each individual ka di total nana ngai kondo la charge. Yeah. So if if Gelas has each of the packages to different countries, your total is gonna come out different. So Gelas gonna give the total to me, and I guess I'll reach out to each of you individually, and then you could do the conversion. And then Gela khanda chini pay che Gela la straight che ki ngala chini ani ngai Gela. Okay. Yep. So yep, and then we'll talk about the fee and how to get it pretty soon. But if you're really interested, put your name down for right now. If you're not sure and you're iffy about it, can you take your name out of the spreadsheet? But if you really want to do it, then put it down and with your address. Or if you're not comfortable putting your address on it, you can email it to me, okay? And parang de. Lagela.
And then you can I send the main interrogative, okay, and also week 5 so you can clear the file with the students, okay?
That's all. Any Roxanne, your information, can you put it on the spreadsheet, please?
Yes, it's there already.
Okay, great, thank you. Kondagelan chanda.
Lasso, ani pangala, bye bye.
Gela, Daniel Mongolia Padang, so next class 6 na yung si Mesa. Right, Daniel?
Daniel, you must study this week 5, yeah? Week 5 or week 6. Okay? That's it, Dele, Tamala.
That's the Gela to
So, how?
Bye, Gela.
I'm going to sign up, okay? So, bye.
Bye, Gela. Daniel, have fun in Mongolia. Take a lot of pictures.
I will.
Let us know all about your adventure. So, and everyone, thank you for coming. Have a good week, and look for an email from me tomorrow.
Sign off.
Yeah?
I want to ask because I haven't paid the fee.
Yeah?
So how can I make payment?
We're still sorry. We're still thinking about that.
Okay.
Yeah, we're still trying to. Yep, I'll let you know. I thought there were only 2 of you who were abroad, but there are a bunch of you from different countries. So I'll reach out to you. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
But yeah, no problem.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Jacqueline. Have a good weekend.
Good night.
Bye. Bye, Tanya.